being done an unusual place for people to run, especially when they have gang history. Oh, that's not good, huh?
No.
Oh.
Okay, 60, 62.
How's it going?
Westbound 3rd from Forest. Turning eastbound on, I think, Minnehaha. Eastbound on Beach. Still eastbound Beach. We are in pursuit, eastbound from Forest. Light traffic. Eastbound from Cypress. Request air and assistance with sticks from St. Paul. Clear. Where'd it go?
Copy 10-3 for 25.
Say what?
Over the hill. Straight ahead.
Eastbound, about 2 blocks ahead of us from Frank. Coming up on
Johnson Parkway.
Johnson Parkway.
Looks like it's going south.
Just went south, 2 blocks east of Duluth.
Our sticks approved. I'm at Johnson.
Copy 6 approved.
Still up
That's
there.
him.
Yeah. Still southbound.
We're going southbound Johnson.
Eastbound 3rd.
Eastbound 3rd from Johnson.
Copy eastbound 3rd from Johnson.
You're trying to put me on that call. I'm nearby.
Clear.
6-1 copy.
Is that him?
I think so.
377, put me on that call nearby. 2756, I'm close to it.
We lost him or what? Was he
I
up the
think
hill?
that's him. I think he's eastbound from Etna, about 4 blocks ahead of us.
Yeah, he is, but why isn't this down there?
Copy eastbound from Edna, 4 blocks ahead.
Still up there, coming up on White Bear.
Coming up on White Bear now, about 4 blocks ahead of us.
367, send me that call.
Copy.
KAZ 6052, not sure of the state.
2751's in the area.
Sure?
No, not
Did he
positive.
cross White Bear?
Yeah, to go south.
We think he went south, but we're not sure. He could have continued east.
That's the one there on the right, but I don't know.
He didn't come south. I'm on White Bear Old Hudson.
He might have blacked out when he went east on 3rd.
What kind of car is it?
It's a full-size black SUV, I think an import, but I'm not sure. Somebody running right there. Is that it? What are we on?
374. Put me on that call.
What street are we on? Wilson?
Copy 2154.
It might be right up there.
I think he just bailed here at Wilson and ran northbound. Yeah, we got it here. North Carolina plate, KAZ 6062.
We're really not that good.
I believe it's a white male.
Wolf, number 1.
Well,
Copy, ran on 4 Wilson, white, or light, 5 ahead
Well, we got their car. We may not have got them, but we got their car. I'm pretty sure he ran into the building, Pat, because we got a ton of people here. Pat, I think he ran into the building. That's why he's here. We're good. We're taking the car, calling it even. This bunch of auto thieves hang in here. We're not going to figure out which apartment he's in. Yeah, dude, I don't want a perimeter because we weren't chasing him when he bailed. He bailed on his own and ran into an apartment. We're not going to go in the building.
Show us at 339 Pine Street with that mail.
You asked me, do I want you to call it?
Oh, did you? I said, did you want to call it?
Yeah, just tell him we're gonna.
Pat, is it stolen or no?
Where's a drug dealer? No perimeter.
Cautious and breathing, but he's passed out. So we can see here.
Copy that. Just confirming you said you're at 339th Street East.
Affirmative on the stage.
Copy that. I'll get him started.
Affirmative.
We're just calling it. He's in the building. He's a drug dealer. He's selling street drugs on the corner, I'm pretty sure. Well, good.
You want me to?
Yeah, Alex is told. Okay. Sweet. It's all right. It wasn't perfect. Wasn't perfect.
Nice.
Bravo 017 COT.
All right.
Yeah, thanks.
Bravo 017, have a good night. 2158.
Well, you saw when we pulled up there was a pedestrian up next to the window there. And fair amount of drug sales go on down there. So it's mere speculation, but since it's not stolen, I think he's probably selling drugs to people on that corner. And when we popped up, he thought, oh, I'm not going to get caught with this stuff.
Anybody doing a toast shoot?
Very possible.
But we
Thanks, I'm clearing
got
outside
a ton
corner.
of
2158.
non-law-abiding people living in these apartments here.
A disproportionate amount, making it miserable for the good people.
Well, and it's very difficult for us to figure out. Thank you, gentlemen.
Appreciate it.
What do we got? We got a registration or what?
Alamo Rental.
Alamo Rental.
Oh, surprise.
Yeah.
When did they rent it?
Trying to look. It looks like on the 8th, September 8th.
Yesterday.
Hey, can you put my domestic and pending and assign me the county chase?
At the airport, Allison.
You got a name on
Hopefully it
there.
doesn't match the vehicle. It looks like this is going to be a rental. I don't know what state you're going to have to run the VIN on all 50. Sorry.
The VIN matches the plate.
The VIN matches the plate?
Yeah.
Well, welcome back. Welcome back from the fair, huh? Welcome back from the fair. I just want to know if you guys were at a donut shop or what.
I went Johnson, and
Yeah.
then you guys kept zagging, so I kept zagging. I zagged on 7th,
Yeah.
and then you said it went south on White Bear, so I came south from 7th.
I was at
And
Minnehaha.
then I was like, well, it definitely didn't go
at
north.
White Bear, I
and
should have
then-
just stayed.
Yeah.
Huh?
I was at White Bear, Minnehaha. I should have just stayed.
Bob pulled up next to him, did his standard. Hey, how you doing? He says, good. Boom.
Happy
He was doing good. He was doing better when he got
Sure, went all back.
Well, at least we got his car.
Yeah. Whew. Well,
Yeah.
woke my brakes back up, though.
Yeah.
Feeling happy.
Well, we haven't had one for a couple weeks. All right, thanks, gentlemen. Thank you. Is he calling you? Oh, I answered it. I didn't know if you wanted to answer.
Oh, hang on a second here.
Is he the watch commander?
My phone is acting weird. Yes, sir. Good. How are you?
36, I'm on cancel 321.